Today's featured car of the day is a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 W-30 convertible. And this one was a beauty. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And I don't know if it was one of the original 113 W-30 convertibles that Oldsmobile made in 1972. But if it was a rare bird. And it had a couple of upgrades done to it. I noticed it had cross-drill brakes on the front and the different wheels. So a little bit of a resto mod or done to their taste of the owner. But either way, it was a nice car and it presented real well. And certainly a rare one, even if it wasn't a W-30, but a nice one. Oh, and I forgot to mention this one was a 4-speed, which is makes it even nicer. Can't beat a big block 4-speed convertible muscle car, that's for sure. But these had a 112-inch wheelbase and were 203 inches long. So it was a mid-sized car, and they were definitely fast for the time, especially. The 30 option package included the L77 455 cubic inch engine, which was rated at 300 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque with the low restriction exhaust. You also got the lightweight aluminum intake manifold, the W-25 fiberglass ram air hood, the anti-spin differential, came standard with 342 gears, and you could get the optional 373 gears if you wanted to. Also, you had heavy-duty cooling. And due to the low vacuum at idle, air conditioning was not available on those cars. And power brakes were only available with an automatic transmission. So, and like I said before, they only made 113 W-30 convertibles, and they made 659 W-30 coupes in 1972. So those are your numbers there. But anyway, thanks for watching. That's today's featured car of the day, and it was a beauty. And if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And you're welcome to share this video and any of the almost 700 videos that I have on this channel, Car Finder. Share them with your friends or share it on your group page, wherever you can. That's fine with me. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And you can also give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you'd like. And here's a couple of videos that'll take you over to my page. That'll give you an idea of other videos available on this channel. And take a look at them and see what you like. But thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.